I don't know what this hype about you is all about. Adora this, Adora that, Adora that. Who do you think you are?
What is the problem now?
Oh, you want to know what the problem is? I don't like you.
It's no secret. I noticed from the very first day. And it is not my fault that you hate me for no reason.
There's a reason, oh. A very simple reason. And I want you to put it in your head. Stay away from my business. And I know you know who my business is in this kingdom.
Just save your breath. I don't have any business with your business.
I get a weep. Hey, Lokwano, you're speaking grammar for me. Mwah. You think you can intimidate me with English? I say, I am educated. I went to school. How about this uniform? I am very, very well learned. So I'm talking here. I have not finished saying what I want to say. You will wait for me to finish before you move. Stay away from my business. I will not say it again. I will not say it again. Stay away from my business. Last warning. Lele. Feeling funky.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.